Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing just how quickly I make the Forex profits. You'll be able to understand how I'm able to capitalize and make those sniper entries. I know very well that you like to take advantage of those sniper entries as well. So, for me, your favorite mentor, please, what you need to do, click the like, click the subscribe bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. So make sure you click that subscribe button and follow me on all social media platforms as I give you guys all this knowledge for free. And also, please do not forget, if you like to use the broker that I'm using, click the link below. Sign up with the regulated broker. Without wasting much time, catch me in the charts. Welcome to the charts, guys. Right now, I'll be looking at what gold. You just have to understand one thing about gold. Whenever you are analyzing gold, guys, make sure you start analyzing it from where? From weekly time frame. That way, it will make you a better trader. Be able to understand the gold movement and be able to subsequently make sure that you are not caught on the wrong side. Okay, fine. Remember, on gold, we have this high, right? This highest high, right? To me, my knowledge is simply saying that we have to come test this point, because you must remember, for the market to reach this point, coming from here and then the market to reach this point, right? It simply means that they've left their trades here. So it went down and then now it's coming here. So I have more advantage of saying that I expect the market to push it, but it's in the long run. You cannot force the market to move that way, but we have to understand that's what we see currently. Okay, fine. Let me show you different types of analysis on gold, what is currently happening. You have this, right? Can you see we've not touched here? But it's possible that this can be the third touch, because sometimes we have those touches that do not touch, right? Which will be something like a significant area. Remember, price is regarded as an area, not necessarily the point, the specific point is an area. That's how we trade. Okay, fine. You see what's happening? We have about 1, 2, 3. That's on weekly time frame, right? But obviously, you don't trade on weekly time frame. We trade where on lower time frames, which is your H1 and your 15 minutes, and also subsequently you can also take some trades on H4. Look what is currently happening. You see, right? This is what I see happening. Can you see? So I expect the market to come test a little bit. If the market can come, do this, something like this, right? This is what we expect to happen, right? Or because subsequently I don't see the market pushing further to the upside, because this looks like the highest high, right? If it does push, we have to be careful, because we don't have the end, what is it, TP. So eventually the market here has to go down, but it's possible that you can go down here, or the market can take out, people can do a mass psychology, do something like this before pushing further down. So you just have to be careful what is currently happening here, because what I'm seeing at the market giving us some much more clearer information. And also you have to be careful on the trades that you take. But the most important thing, don't trade without a stop loss, because we are not God. We cannot push the market where it wants to. But the one thing that protects us will be the stop loss. So this is what I have. So let me jump straight to 4 hour. I'm not going to go to data. I just want to show you something. And then I'll go back, taking you step by step. Seeing what is currently happening, we have a move here. Can you see what I showed you here? We are having a similar pattern. So I'm expecting the market to come a little bit here. But what I currently see, we have what a pattern within a pattern, right? I'm showing you different types of analysis. So obviously this one will just go a little bit here, then having what, a rising wedge. So If we break from this point, let me zoom in. I want to show you guys something. Should I remove this? No, let me not. Okay, if we break here, then something like this will happen, right? So doesn't necessarily mean it will come here. So we just have to understand the market, how it moves, and when it breaks, it's indicating to us that yes, indeed, what I'm preparing myself to push this downside. Because why? This is just an information that I share, but I want to show you guys another a similar pattern that you'll be able to understand much later. You see, I hope you take screenshots and be able to understand this correctly. So you're expecting the market to push further down because now I see a possible head and shoulders, something like this, right? So there's many patterns that can happen here, and also we have a similar zone here. You see, right? So if we stay below it, we have a greater chance of breaking down because now those ones are up. Okay, fine. So this is just a method of understanding where we are in the current market on gold. That's on H4. Okay, fine. Let me remove everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you a trick. Show you a trick. We had a break here. You can see we broke the structure here, right? We broke the structure, this low. We have broken this low. Oops, yeah, come on. Yeah, we broke this low, right? You know what does the rule say about a downtrend? It says the market will break the lower lows and respect the higher low, right? So this will be lower low, better, lower low, lower high, right? Yes, lower low. See? So what happened here? We're having a similar thing. What did we do? We broke, uh, came here, okay, we started here, went up, broke, went up, broke, went up. So we just have to understand what is currently happening here because we expect the market to push down. So this is what is currently happening. You can see this is what this is the lower low, lower high, lower low. Oops, right here, lower low, right? Uh, lower high, lower high. So expecting the market to come and break what the low below this one, right? So I see the market coming subsequently to this point. Fine. So how do I start saying this? Look, the break of a structure simply saying the market is preparing itself to push to the downside, right? We didn't want to use trend lines, but I want to show you something here. You see, expecting them to come back here. So we broke here, retest on the trend line, we pushed, came back here again. So what we have to understand is how the market moves. I'm on hour now. So look, let's look at the zones that we can identify to be able to understand how the market moves, why the market will have a greater chance of returning here. The last take this one. The last bearish, the last bullish candle because we are down trend. So can you see what's happening here? So my utmost is saying I must sell now. Must sell. The stop loss will be a little bit here. Then obviously the NTB is below here. So let me put it here. And then I'll be able to show you where you can have subsequently partial profit. TP, another TP1. I have TP2. TP3 will be here. So Let me double there. TP1. CP2. And then this will be TP3. So we can take advantage of this movement, all of us guys, because I don't see the market pushing. If we do push, let me show you. If we do push, guys, I've trained my eyes so much that I know what's gonna happen. If this doesn't happen, we can have this simpler movement, right? But you won't go far. So make sure you give your trades a little bit of a room, because this is currently happening, right? This is currently happening. Obviously, when it breaks, you can scale in hard. So for me, not using these trend lines as I show you different patterns, because you have to understand that you don't see the market breaking this high. If it breaks this, it validated. It simply means that the market will do this, then go up. So this setup is validated. It's no longer in place. So for me, your favorite mentor, get on gold. Let's sell, guys, and make sure you risk very well, so that if the trade doesn't go with us, then we are safe. Safe trading. I urge you guys to keep on subscribing, and also make sure you click the broker that I'm using and open an account. It's a regulated broker with over 10 years experience. For me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Sniper Entry. Catch me in the next video. Peace.